Okay, next we see the types of crop calendar. Okay, what are the types of crop calendar? See, first thing is the tabular crop calendar. Okay, so in this information about the cultural practices, labor requirement are indicated against the month wise in the form of table. Okay, so this the calendar will be in the form of table. Okay, there is each column may represent the month. Okay, so in the column we will give the month. Okay, and in the row we will give the information like this. Okay, so for example, the crop calendar of National Food Security Mission is an example of tabular crop calendar. Okay, so this NFSM, okay, they give a calendar, crop calendar. Okay, so this is in the form of tabular form. Next is the graphical crop calendar. Okay, so in this a graph is drawn in relation to x and y axis, in which in most cases x taken to be month and y taken to be crop. Okay, so in the tabular crop calendar we will take the column as the month. Okay, so in the graphical crop calendar we will take the x axis as month and the y axis we will take the crop. Okay, so for example, the crop calendar of the FAO, okay, the Food and Agriculture Organization, okay, they have some crop calendar. Okay, so in this crop calendar they represented in the form of graphically. Okay, so they have graphical. Okay, they have graphical crop calendar. And next is pictorial crop calendar. Okay, so in the pictorial crop calendar, a picture of crop. Okay, there will be some picture. Okay, and corresponding requirement is indicated against it. Okay, so in the graphical we will have x and y axis, but in pictorial we will have a picture. Okay, okay, so corresponding to the picture we will mention the information. Okay, so this is the pictorial crop calendar. Okay, we will see the example in this one. See, here I told that. Okay, okay, the crop calendar by NFSM. Okay, that is the National Food Security Mission. Okay, so National Food Security Mission. Okay, they have some crop calendar. Okay, which is the tabular form. Okay, I already wrote. Okay, that is National Food Security Mission. Okay, have a crop calendar. Okay, that is in the form of tabular form. Okay, so we will see that one. See here, National Crop Calendar. See, we will have the okay, in the Google you type like this. Okay, NFSM crop calendar. Okay, okay, you will get like this. So crop calendar NFSM. Okay, so this is the crop calendar of National Food Security Mission. Okay, so we will see this one. Okay, so this Indian. Okay, in this we will have the. Okay, see here. Okay, so here we are having crop calendar for NFSM crops. Okay, that is all the crops of Indian crops. Okay, only Indian crops will be have in this one. Okay, so okay, so for example, I want to choose a state. For example, I am choosing Tamil Nadu. Okay, and then I am selecting a crop. For example, okay, I am selecting a crop like this. Okay, I am selecting paddy crop. Okay, then we will get the information like this. Okay, see in this you can see. Okay, the table format they gave. That is, in the table they gave state. Okay, so that is in the column they give state, crop and season, from and to, period, like this. Okay, so this calendar is the form of table. See, so in this the state they give Tamil Nadu, and crop they give rice, and season that is early kharif and kharif and summer. See here they mention the period. Okay, that is harvesting period. Okay, okay, so okay, for kharif season. Okay, for early kharif season the harvesting will be the June beginning. Okay, June beginning. And similarly in the sowing season. Okay, for the kharif season the sowing will be January beginning. BEG means beginning. Okay, beginning. BEG means beginning. Okay, at December end. Okay, like this they gave. Okay, okay. And then I want to see some other. For example, I want to see the green gram. Okay, green gram. Okay, so in this they gave some like okay, okay, so for Tamil Nadu the green gram. Okay, the season is summer season. In the summer season we will have, that is, the sowing period is from from November end to and March beginning. Okay, so this is the sowing time. Okay, sowing period for the okay, sowing period for green gram. Okay, so like this they gave. Okay, okay, next time seeing the Punjab. Okay, for example, I want to see Punjab. Okay, in Punjab I want to see the wheat. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so in the Punjab the sowing period is okay, from October to November. Okay, October beginning to November end. Okay, this is the sowing time of wheat in the Punjab. That is, they will sow majorly in the Rabi season. Okay, and similarly in the harvesting period is from the April beginning to May end. Okay, so this is the crop calendar of all the crops. That is all the crops. Okay, all the major crops in India. Okay, from state wise they gave in this one. Okay, so here we can see which is the sowing time and harvesting period. Okay, so this is the crop calendar for whole India. Okay, this one. Okay, and next we will see the FAO. Okay, I told you the graphical crop calendar. It is the crop calendar of FAO. Okay, Food and Agriculture Organization. So okay, that one we will see now. Okay, FAO crop calendar. Okay, FAO is about the world. Okay, see here. Okay, www.fao.org. Okay, so okay, they also saw okay, they have also have some crop calendar. So you will see this one. Okay, how they mentioned here. See here. Okay, FAO. Okay, FAO the Food and Agriculture Organization, UN. Okay, United Nations. Okay, so here's the crop calendar. Okay, they gave some crop calendar. Okay, so they gave crop calendar for okay, for more than 130 crops. Okay, 130 crops and was located on and 283 agroclimatic zones of 44 countries. Okay, so they gave crop calendar for 44 countries. Okay, for nearly 44 countries they gave the crop calendar. Okay, that is sowing time and harvesting period like this. Okay, so we will see here. Okay, okay, for example, I want to choose a crop. Okay, for example, I am choosing banana. Okay, you choose banana and click next. Okay, okay, and then you want to select the region. Okay, so the region I'm selecting, for example, I'm choosing Africa. Okay, so in the banana only the Africa is there. Northern Africa is there. Okay, because they gave only for 44 countries. See, I told that they gave only for some 40 countries like that. Okay, so only that countries will have here. Here I'm giving Ethiopia. See, wait, I'm giving Ethiopia and view. So here you can see. Okay, they gave in the form of graph. See here. Okay, that is the January. Okay, Jan, February, March in the x-axis. Okay, and sowing time. Okay, the sowing time they gave in the form of graph like this. Okay, so here you can see the graph. Okay, and they also provide information about the sowing time and harvesting period. Okay, and also planting rate. See here. Okay, they give information about the harvesting period and planting rate and length of cropping cycle. Okay, so these are the information. Okay, so for example, next time seeing next time going to see some other crop. For example, Indian pea. I'm giving Indian pea. Okay, so here also we are having 2 countries. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so in this you can see this bar. Okay, so this bar is nothing but, see here. So this bar implies sowing period. Okay, that is we will sow between the March and April. Okay, and harvesting period is they shown here. Okay, that is the harvesting period they shown here. Okay, so when they will harvest like that. Okay, in the season of July to August like that. Okay,